Hi everyone, today we're looking at a Gerber Decree S30V knife. Like the name, this knife, the blade material is S30V. Let's zoom in, take a close look at it. The blade length is 3.7 inch. The weight is 4.8 ounce. And overall length is 8.7, and here's the duration of it. This blade shape, Gerber calls it modified Tonto blade shape because it looks like the Japanese Tonto shape, but there's curve. And here is the back of it. Let's zoom in. Okay, the pocket clip. You can carry it either tip down or tip up. The handle is a rubberized diamond texture handle. It has a very good traction. The jimping here is nice too. And this thing is the puncture point. You can actually break the glass with it. Holds very nicely in hand. Since it's used S30V blade material, it is actually usually finds on the high-end knife that cost over $200, but this one is only around $60, so I think it's a very good option. And it's frame lock. Very nice. Basically you have a thumb stock here. You can open this way, or you can use this, but you have to flip your wrist a little bit. It's not that easy to open. Let me try it again. Oh no. Last time? Okay, good. Overall, it's a very good knife for the price, around $60. Highly recommend this one. I'll have the item link below. Thanks for watching.